Oh, we're making the lowest. I need.
Oh no, that's too much.
And even this part.
Jabee and Jiya, toys and fun. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jiya and this is my big brother Jabee.
Today we're going to make some chocolate cupcakes with some sprinkles. Let's get started. I'm going to take all the ingredients. Okay, we have sugar. And this is flour. And some butter. This is baking soda. Is it good? Ooh, we need some chocolate. And some eggs. And some eggs. 2 pieces of eggs. Now let's get started. And some chocolate too. Woohoo! First we're going to melt the butter. Now let's put it in the pan. First we got to turn it on. Let's turn on the fire. Now let's put it in the butter. While waiting for the butter to get melted, I put all the ingredients inside this bowl. We need some flour. We need some sugar. What does it over there? And then the baking powder. No, the eggs. Now the butter is melted. Here's the pan. The pan. Excuse me, here's a child. And we're going to do it.
Yeah.
Fine. We're going to melt the chocolate now. Oh!
No, this is green. Mommy, this is a green color. You open it.
Here. Look at the egg. Where's it going, Bob? Where's it going? Ah! I don't know what to do. Oh, sorry. Mine. Wait, yeah, out of the way. Butter. Done. I think now it's done.
Now it's done. Ta-da!
Wing done.
Sprinkles.
Now our cupcakes are ready for sprinkles. Now let's take a little helping. Take some.
Mommy, these are big
Oh, we're making the lowest. I need. Oh, take a minute. Taking on it.
Oh no, that's too much.
So funny. It's so funny. I'll take it off. It's going to be so yummy.
Why do you make this?
Our cupcakes are now ready for the oven.
Let's open the oven so we can.
Now let's close it, guys. Yeah, you want to dance? Ready? Oops, sorry, that was the wrong one.
Well, now.
Oh, let's dance! Oh! Now, guys, it's ready! Let's open the oven. Oh, yeah. Let's take it out. Oops, sorry.
Now. I'm just too stuck.
Here it is. I'm going to realize that
Why we have to.
Now it's time to eat our cupcakes. You gotta eat that up. You have to take this. This is all yummy. And the party. Those are the sprinkles. And even this one.
No.
This one is for Daddy.
Daddy,
Because
we
this
have
is for
a
his
cupcake.
coffee.
A cupcake for you.
Thank you.
Here's yours, Dad. I give it to Dad. Thanks for watching our videos.
Bye.
Bye.